Hello my dear students. So we will discuss about translation problems from the first unit of CADM. So in this case just we will discuss about few sums. A rectangle is formed by 4 points A, B, C, D whose coordinates are A 50, 50, B 100, 50, C 100, 80, D 50, 80. So there is 4 coordinate points. So calculate the new coordinate of the rectangle in reduced size using the scaling factor 5, Sx equal to 0.5 and Sy equal to 0.6. So this rectangle update is reduced size. So ABCD given points, while writing in the matrix form, just xy coordinate only 50 50 150 180 50 80. If we write in homogeneous coordinate, for the third column must be introduced, let it be unit, that is 1 1 1 1. Then scaling factors Sx equal to 0.5 and Sy equal to 0.6. Scaling matrix, it is a diagonal matrix Sx xy 1. Then 0.5 0.6 1 only in diagonals. Then it has to be multiplied for new coordinate points. This ABCD matrix and this scaling matrix must be multiplied. So in this case, actually as per the determinant law, this one is 4 into 3, this one is 4 into 3, that is 4 row 3 columns. This one is 3 row 3 columns. What will be the resultant? The resultant will be 4 row 3 columns. While multiplications we will get 50 into, so this S ABCD and S multiplications, so this and this, this and this, this and this. While multiplications we are getting 25 30 1 50 31 50 48 1 25 48 1. The reduced coordinate will be A dash equal to 25, 30, B dash will be 50, 30, C dash will be 50, 48 and D dash will be 25, 48. Next we will see the next problem, triangle problem. For triangle 3 coordinate points P, Q and R, P 0, 0, Q 94, 0, I mean 4, 0, 0, 4, 0, not 9, and R 2, 3. It is to be translated by 4 units in X direction, 2 units in Y direction. Then it is to be rotated in anti-clockwise directions above the new position of point R through 90 degree. Find the new position of the triangle. In this case the coordinate points 0, 0, 4, 0, 2, 0. So that the triangle coordinate points are 0, 0, 4, 0, 2, 0. Homogeneous means further third column to be introduced, that should be unit 1 1 1. Translation 4 and 2, Tx 4, Ty 2. Translation matrix, only it has Tx and Ty to be introduced in the unit max at the unit matrix at the third row only. Instead of 0 0 we have to substitute 4 and 2, 4 and 2 in all cases. Then while multiplying P, Q, R and T, so we are getting 4 to 1, 8 to 1, 6 5 1. So after multiplication we are getting the coordinate 4 2, 8 2 and 6 5. Further, so it is in, so this should be rotated in anti-clockwise direction about new position. That rotation is 90 degree. So that results will be triangle P dash Q dash R, these results and this results, and translations T or rotation R and T inverse. Then this is PQR, P dash Q dash R. This translation is anti-clockwise direction, so that we put minus and minus. This is theta is 90 degree. This one is transformation matrix in inverse, so that just inverse, there is no need to put as per mathematical form, just opposite sign of these two cases, 6 and 5. Then first you multiply these two, we will get one matrix, further this and this, and finally we will get the answer 931, 971, 651. So the new vertices or new coordinate will be 93, 97 and 65. Then this is a lengthy sum, so sub problem is also there. There are three types of problems. One is triangle rotated at 60 degree in anti-clockwise direction. Other one is scaling factors. Third one is mirror. In this case, consider triangle ABC having coordinate 5, 5, 8, 5 and 5, 10. Determine the new vertex position if the triangle is rotated 60 degree anti-clockwise direction about the vertex. So from vertex A only, that points will be rotated, and the triangle scaling factor 2 times x direction, 3 times in y direction about vertex A only. If it is mirror about a line, y equal to 2x plus 4. In this case, the coordinates are 5, 5, 8, 5, 5, 10. Homogeneous coordinates are, further we have to introduce the third matrix column 1, 1, 1. Triangle rotated by 60 degree anti-clockwise direction about the vertex A means this 5, 5. From this point only, so these points, this triangle has to be rotated. So this is ABC. Then the point is 5, 5. So translation is 5, 5. But it is in anti-clockwise direction, so that we put minus and minus. Then rotations. How much degree? 60 degree rotations. Then inverse of matrix, this one is, this minus becomes plus. Then cos 60 equal to 0.5, sin 60 equal to 0.866. So that sin 60 is 0.866, cos 0.5. Okay. So this one is, as it is 0, 0, both to be multiplied, we are getting this answers. Not this 5, both are multiplication, we are getting this value. Further these to be multiplied, we are getting this value. Final answers will be 5, 5, 1, 6.5, 7.5, 98, 0.67, 7.5, 1. So new vertices for A answer. Anti-clockwise rotation about vertex A, answer will be, that coordinate points will be 5, 5, 6.5, 7.598. Third C is 0.67, 7.5. Then B, triangle is scaled 2 times x direction, 3 times y direction about vertex A. In this case, triangle ABC, then this one is transverse, translational. This is scaling factors, inverse of translation matrix. So in this case, 5, 5, 1, 8, 5, 1, 5, 10, 1. Same previous case triangle, that coordinate points. This is translational points. This scaling factors 2, 3, and this one is inverse of this one, T. So minus becomes plus. These two multiplication we are getting this answer, and these two multiplication we are getting this answer. Both multiplied, net results will be 5, 5, 1, 11, 5, 1, 5, 21. The coordinate will be 5, 5, 11, 5, 5, 20. Then reflection point, reflections about the line y equal to 2x plus 4. So just you have to remember that this case. Then so 11th standard or 12th standard you may study the equations of slope y equal to mx plus c. Same case to be considered here. y equal to mx plus c. M is 2, c is a constant, that is 4. So m slope is 2, slope tan theta equal to 2, theta equal to 63.435 degree. Then triangle a dash b dash c dash equal to triangle ABC. Then translational matrix. Then this is rotation, mirror, inverse of rotations, because it is a mirror, no? Rotation mirror and inverse and translation inverse. So this 551, 851, 510, 1, it is a triangle ABC coordinate points. Translations from the line only. So from the line, that constant value is 4. Constant value is -4. So this is the -4, because that constant mx plus c knows that c constant will be 4. So -4. Then this is the degree for the, because it is a mirror points, no? Mirror is opposite, so that this minus here also minus minus minus. Then the rotation mirror. So mirror is unit matrix in midpoint only. We have to substitute -1. Then R inverse. R inverse is this case opposite. Or this all the minus becomes plus. Then this is the positive sign of this case for T inverse. Then one step by step we have to multiply first these two, thereafter this one, and thereafter this one, thereafter this one. Finally we will get the answers. This is the case minus 2.2, 8.6, 1, minus 4, 11, 1, 1.8, 11.61. So this is the coordinate points minus of 2.2, 8.6, minus 4, 11, 1.8, 11.6. This is the way we have to approach while solving the problems. Okay, thank you.